Hi, Janelle Andrus here with the Andrus Group Home Sales of RE/MAX Action First. Today I'm standing in front of our coming soon listing at 1010 South Betty Lane in Clearwater, Florida. This home is located on a beautiful lot, which we'll show you in a minute. It's a quarter of an acre, has a 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Now, we will be holding it open this weekend, date and time to be announced, and we'll be advertising it on Zillow and marketplaces and other places once we find out where we're going to do it. So once again, it's coming soon. This is one of our homes that if you buy this home, we will buy yours if you're trading up to this home. So once again, find out how you can buy this home and we'll guarantee the sale of your home if you give us a call. And also, we'll tell you information about the home, but if you end up wanting more information, you can call the number here, 1-844-310-9771 and hit extension 9004. And that's for more information about the house. Once again, it's a beautiful lot. It has a newer roof with hurricane clips, so your insurance will not be as high as some homes because of your wind mitigation. It has pecan trees. It has a mango tree. And we'll show you later probably, but it has a screened-in porch in the back and just lots of yard space. Makes it pretty unique. So let's go take a look inside. Hi, once again, we're standing in front of 1010 South Betty Lane in Clearwater. It's about 10 minutes from the beautiful beaches in Clearwater, so you can't beat that. It is 1,320 square feet, so 1,320. It does have a great little front sitting area porch that's covered. It has beautiful shutters, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it has newer appliances. And let's go in and take a look. So as you enter into this home, you come into a very spacious living room area that has a ceiling fan. Of course, this home is AC, central AC, so you don't have to worry about that. The seller says the heating bills were very low due to the trees around the house and everything. So once again, here's your living room as you enter in. And then you have this great, huge dining room space that you can fit your dining room table, your hutch, and just have lots of room for entertaining of your family for Thanksgiving, Christmas, the holidays, birthdays, whatever. And that's one thing I really like about this home is because you can sort of see through and through between the TV area and the dining room area. And so then off the dining room area, you do have an eat-in kitchen space where you can put a small table, ceiling fan. You have ample cabinets, and you know what's really nice too is they've installed a gas stove here, and it does have a newer refrigerator and appliances too. They're not brand new. I think the seller said they're about 3 years old. So next, since we're standing here, it's great because you walk into the garage or come in the house to the garage. And one thing I really love about this house is how large this garage is. So many times it's not that big, and so you know, I think there's plenty of room for you to fit your 2 cars, motorcycle, maybe a boat if you wanted to. And then also the laundry's out here, and the washer and dryer are fairly new. You do have the side door that goes to the backyard, so that's great if you want to take your lawn equipment out to mow the yard or for your pets. So let's go back inside. Off the dining room area, you do have a screened-in porch, so that's good where you can sit out and relax and be protected. There is a privacy fence in the back, but not all the way around. And then we're gonna walk down the hallway here where you have plenty of closet space in this house. You have a huge closet here, more than a double-sided. And you have a linen closet here that's smaller, but it's nice because you have a linen closet. And then here's one of your bathrooms. Remember I said it was a 2-bath. So everything's nicely done in here. And now we're gonna walk back to the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is also large, and in all the bedrooms they have put in, I was told, the hurricane impact windows, they've been replaced. And so you have a very large closet. And then the master bedroom has its own bath. And I'll let the cameraman go back there and show you that bath. So you have a full bath there. Tub, sink, and then obviously your commode. So after that we have 2 bedrooms that are normal sized bedrooms. One does have a ceiling fan, one does not. And once again, they do have the hurricane impact windows that they installed. The last thing I'd like to show you is we'll walk back outside one more time and show you the very large side yard. So let's go back outside. So as you can see here, there's a very large side yard. It does have a mango tree, which was one of the wife's favorite things before they moved to their other home. But it has a large yard where there's plenty of space where if you want to store things or put a shed in or even put a pool for your family. And I think that's about it for today. So once again, this is 1010 South Betty Lane in Clearwater. And this is a wonderful family home. So please go ahead, and we'd love to see you over the weekend at the open house. See you then. Bye-bye. So as we leave you here at 1010 South Betty Lane, I want to remind you that this is a great value and a rare opportunity for a 1/4 acre lot with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car oversized garage, 10 minutes from the beach from Clearwater, newer roof, low insurance, and you can get all this at a great value price to sell of $250,000. So call the interest group if you want more information at 727-515-9551, and we'll be glad to show it to you. Bye-bye.